Para naman airport dito. Parang airport yung security. May TSA. Ala, nandiyan na siya. Nandiyan na. Chicken tacos for appetizer.
Bayang lagi.
Pwede sa silangan. Oh my gosh, good morning, Mishi Bing Bing. Good morning, Mishita! Good morning! Sino yung napuyat? Si Mami at Daddy. Sino yung masarap ang tulog? Beshi, iyak lang iyak. My gosh. Anong oras na? Nagising ako kanina alas 6. Pero dahil tulog niyong dalawa, nakatulog ulit ako alas 10 na. Hey everyone! Good morning! Magpo-breakfast na tayo. Dito na kami magpo-breakfast. Ang breakfast namin is coffee from here. Yung coffee nila. Nagtimpla na si Mac. And yung spaghetti from Jollibee na hindi namin nakain kagabi kasi we got the family size na spaghetti. The only downside here sa room namin, di ko alam kung sa buong hotel ba or sa room lang namin, is wala silang microwave. May microwave sila sa baba, doon daw yung microwave. Tapos wala daw breakfast nakasama sa booking pala namin. Kasi daw, meron daw silang restaurant sa baba at sa taas. Just like yung restaurant na pinuntahan siguro namin noon nung nasa Chicago kami. So, ganun siya. Ooh, ang sarap ng Jollibee! Nakakamiss.
Gapoy tayo garat.
Hello everyone! Palabas na po kami ng hotel at kami ay pupunta na. Good morning, Mishi Bing! Galing ganito pa ako. Hindi naman pala kalamigan.
Lamig yarn. Canada, Canada. Canada.
What's the temperature right now?
17.
17 18?
Hello, madam. So, kumusta naman po ang ano nyo? Hinang-hina kayo
We don't need the...
Oh, you don't need straw?
Yeah.
Born under a spring moon sky. Couldn't change her if you tried. She's got roses on her mind. Watch them grow wherever she wants to go. Never picking up her phone. She adores being alone. Whoa, and they say Juliet, when is she coming around? She ever settling down? They don't know Juliet. She never wants to be found. See, I'm for settling down. She's running with wind in her hair. You can't try to keep her back there. You're there at night, chasing like she's a hurricane without warning. This in the storm as it's pouring.
Hindi, nagkakiding-hina. Ay, kung suna ako.
What time is it?
Nakala ka ba ticket or ano?
Here's the...
Ticketed entrance na.
Para naman airport dito. Parang airport yung security. May TSA. Ganda dali. 15th Amendment, Daddy, oh. Began and held the city of Washington resolution. They help atikwa kasi yung mga washroom nila is different from the colored tsaka sa white. Discrimination on the railroads. Ito pala yun, oh, yung si Rosa Parks. Ito yung story na ano, pinapaalis siya nung driver dun sa bus para daw makaupo si Rosa Parks and other African American passenger to vacate their seats for white passengers. Ano yan, Daddy?
American immigrant.
they found the that's talaga. Ganda talaga kapag ano.
Hindi ko Germany degree.
Germans in Chicago. Naka-engrave. Naka-engrave dito yung mga clues. Charot. May wheels daw kami, kaya iba yung daanan namin.
Declaration just to the left. Bill of Rights to the right. You are free to go in any order.
Is there any line? Okay.
Two lines.
Thank you. Original document. Punta tayo dun sa original na Declaration of Independence. Kasi ang daming tao, pero we don't do lines out here. So singit-singit ka lang.
Oh, that's the one?
Is that the original one?
Yes.
Oh, wow.
The one that Nicolas
It's
Cage
fate.
stole?
Did you watch the what's it, the National Treasure movie? Yeah. It is.
I think there was more than one.
National. Wala na ano no, na fade no. It's fading. Why did it happen to them? How did it happen?
Original resolution.
Walking na dito sa National Archive. Hi! 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 Ha? Haba! Kaya na? Yeah. Hi! It's mine! Tumatayo na siya mag-isa. Kaya na niya. You can stand up alone already.
Basta maling ako.
Hi!
Kaya mo yan, nag-mori ka kanina.
Bibili din daw siya ng ano, pasalubong niya kay mother. Yung ninakaw ni Nicolas Cage.
Pinadala ako ni Nicolas Cage.
Agar ka, picturean ka, kaya mo na ito yung mother ko. Isend ka kaya na. Patingin, magkano yan? 69. Ha? 69? Pass.
Come a little closer. I wanna dance with you. Everything's moving slower. I don't know what it is you do. I've been looking at you all night, trying to figure you out. I just wanna make you smile.
So, we are on our way to National Gallery of Art. Lakad-lakad lang kami kasi magkakatabi naman. Ayan na po si sister. Nakakita na ng 20-20 lahat ng klase. Ay, Washington t-shirt, sister! Oh my gosh! $4 daw. Washington. Ito para hindi yung babasagin. Para sa inyo, sa bahay? Or gusto mo ba ng ganito? Kila mama? Oy sister, do you want this? Do you want this? $4 off everything. Okay, ready? Wait. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Madi pagdikit mo, aja sakam kasi. Yan. 1, 2, 3. Ito naman, very demure. mga yung mga president's table. Dalawang building pala tong National Gallery of Arts. Nakakaubos ng oras. Naku, rough road. Sorry, Michibe. So kung pupunta ka talaga dito sa Washington, kung sa mga gallery, mga museums ka palang pupunta, kailangan mo ng mga 3 days. Kung gusto mong ikutin lahat, kasi kagaya namin dun sa National Art Gallery, yung isang building pa lang yung napuntahan namin, tapos sa ground level lang yung pinuntahan namin kasi sobrang dami na, may taas pa yun. Kaya ang mas gusto ko lang naman na makita talaga dito yung sa Declaration of Independence, more on sa history. Though yung mga nasa art naman, it shows history, lalo na yung mga furniture nila, ganyan, the American furniture, yun. Pero kaubos nga lang ng oras talaga. Upo muna tayo while waiting sa pedestrian lane. I think we can walk now.
From all those pretty words you said, it's like I'm wasted.
Naman yung elevator nila, sis, parang buong bedroom. Pang dorm na to.
Baka close for today.
And I won't waste it. And I promise that
wow.
I will stand by you forever. I can't get you out of my mind. I will follow you wherever. And I won't waste this.
Yan na po ang Disney princess namin. Parang gusto ko to. Caesar side salad. Wait lang ako. Tulugan na. Grabe, photos lang sa kaletos. O, $13. Para pala yung babae, photos lang yung kinakain niya. Sarap. Sarap ng dressing. I'm tired. Sama na ugali mo. Tapos walang ilaw. Nawalan po ng kuryente ang lowel ko. Naubos na. Wait, quiet daw dito ba, Nini? Naubos na yan. Shhh. Keep quiet. Louder. 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 Banining. Gising na gising ka na. Pa. Ano? Ginagawa mo na naman yung pangit face mo
Pati, pwede pa papanan yung papanan.
Olo.
Kita mo nung dati po di Cruz. Jadi
I was never the one to write up a song for just anyone. I was always the one to find myself lost in long conversations. Cause I've always been
lumalamig na po mga kapatid. Buti na lang. May dala akong isang trench coat. Ang summer lahat. Ang dala ko, kala mo naman. Pero chill lang naman. Kakayanin naman. Oh, that's a nice one. Look at that. Here on your right. Yung bata po namin, nabuboard na. Punta kami ngayon sa munisipyo. Munisipyo ng Washington. Munisipyo.
I was never the one to give it the ghost. No, I was so stuck. Kept on playing my part, wanted to give up cause nothing was changing. But with you it's so clear, and now that you're here I see colors in every spectrum. Guess I finally learned my lesson. Cause you glue all the pieces back together. Yeah, you take all my wrongs and make them better. Yeah, you're making me wanna try forever. And I feel so free. Oh my sweet baby.
Mickey! Mickey!
And I think to myself.
Ano guys, alis na kami dito sa Capitol. Medyo mahirap maglakad. 10 minutes from the Calzada to here. Tapos nakalimutan kong kumuha ng video. Picture kami ng picture. Nakalimutan kong kumuha ng video dun. Madam namin na ayaw bumalik kanina sa stroller. Ah! Are you having fun, Mishi Bang? Are you having fun? Ah! Yun! Yun! Yun na naman yung ugly face mo na nagpapakyut. Ha? Ano na namang sinasabi mo? Ay, sus! Ay, no!
Katawa di pag-yun na. Oh, parang araw na pag-yun ang akadyan.
Ano yun?
Okay, ulit.
Again! Ah! Again!
Baby, yung shoes mo.
Ah. Anong sinasabi mo? Ay, sus! Naku!
Duduk na pa. Ayaw.
Oh? Ata! Nakita ko yung mukhang yun ah. Nakita ko yun ah.
Uguwag ka man.
Ang dami namang sinasabi. Oh no, ang arte. Fake cry.
Bakit may pa-fake cry naman ang madam?
Gusto niya yung parang nakaupo siya. Like that. Gusto niya yan. Tapos people watching.
Come a little closer. I wanna dance with you. Everything's moving slower. I don't know what it is you do. I've been looking at you all night, trying to figure you out. I just wanna make you smile. Hold your hand in my hand, looking at the sunset. Man, you're looking good tonight. I wanna kiss you before the sun goes down. It's what you're doing, it's making me feel like I'm falling. And when you're moving, I can hear my calling. There's no one else here that I see but you. It's what you're doing, it's making me feel like I'm falling. Yeah, I'm falling in love. Falling in love. You set my wheels in motion. I'm going crazy for you. Eyes blue like the ocean. I can see you want this too. Cause you've been looking at me all night, trying to figure me out. I just wanna let you know. And I ain't playing no games, baby, you won't change. I only want you. I wanna kiss you before the sun goes down. It's what you do.
Missy Bang! Walk! Hello! Bakit ganyan ka mag-walk?
Batak ka tawa sis.
Nakainom ka? Hi! Walk, Missy, walk!
Feel like I'm falling. Yeah, I'm falling in love. Yeah, I'm falling in love.
Missy Bang! Ah! Hala! Ang bilis-bilis mo naman! Nagdadakkel mo tadang kami ni Daddy. Come here! Missy Bang! Missy!
Ayan na yung duck, Mishi. Pupunta na yung duck, oh. Ala, nandyan na siya. Andyan na. Andyan na yung duck, Mishi. Ipaharap mo. Yan tayo magamit dito ka. Dito kami. Duck, duck. Duckly. Hi! Saya! Ala, naliligo sila, Mishi. Wala silang color. Brown lang.
You don't like the furry?
Wawa naman yung anak ko. Napagod na. Nakain na naman yung kamay. We are here outside. Nasa rooftop kami. We're comfy. Mishi bang bang. Ang warm mo naman dyan, Nanek. Yung isa dyan, ayaw na mag-milk. Gusto na lang niya yung ano niya, teether niya. Ay sus! Ay sus! Dito kami ngayon guys sa Yara. Sa rooftop ng Marriott Hotel kung saan kami nag-stay. Doon maganda sana dun sa kabila. Kaso, parang dun lang talaga kasi yung inuman. Kakain kami ng dinner. Tapos may apoy-apoy doon sa table. Kasi wala din silang ilaw doon. So parang dito sa area na talaga to is for dinner. Tapos doon sa area nila is for bar. Pero okay na lang din. Ang lamig. Buti na lang. Nagdala na ako ng coat ko. Kasi yung isa dyan, taga Canada naman. Kaya mo yan, sis. Ilaban mo yan. Si Mishi Beng Beng, nakabini na. Tapos, nakaano pa siya. Nakakumot pa siya dito sa ulo namin. Wala, malamig na. Malapit na kaming manigas. Wala pa yung pagkain namin. Chicken tacos for appetizer. Try natin yung appetizer. Uy, masarap. May cilantro. May avocado. Masarap yung cilantro, hindi overpowering. Tapos may bell pepper pa. Na red. Pagdati ko na, avocado na.
Kaya nga. Guacamole with salsa. Baka malapit mo lang. Hospital na ata yun eh. Hindi ba? Kasi pag malapit ka na sa hospital, sister, kailangan naka-off na yung wangwang mo. Gusto ko. Gusto ko. Yung minus da cilantro na natikman ko na sobrang... Oh, bakit?
Hindi lang maano kasi yung wrapper niya. Dapat sinip na mainit, masarap yan.
Ito yung salad, daddy. Ayan yung salad. Uy, ito yung pinaka-the best ang food mo. Sweet potato fries. Sweet potato.
Diba?
Malamang
Sarap-sarap. Sarap-sarap.
sarap. Ang sarap-sarap. Gusto na niya. Kasi medium rare, sister. That's the key. Pag pinapano mo ng well done, matigas na yun.
Wish that I could stay